Alright, in this particular video, I'm going to share how to make money without money, because there is a lot of people who don't have anything at all, but they are willing to start earning online or maybe offline. So in this particular video, it will help you to know everything you should start for free without paying anything at all, without paying any money. So I myself, which is Louis Chuku, I have earned a lot in the online space, and I'm going to share my story and how I started as well without money. I don't pay anything at all to start. And one of the platforms that helped me so well is what we call Stay Cut. So with Stay Cut, you can sign up for free without paying any money at all. And what do they do on Stay Cut? Stay Cut is just a platform that will help you to recommend digital products in the online space, and you get paid your commission, but they're going to sign up for free. Yes, you will sign up for free accounts and start recommending digital products, and you get paid anytime you sell that particular product. I am doing that thing as an affiliate marketer or digital marketer. Okay, I just sign up for free. I start to recommend different products on their marketplace and I get paid. And another platform that also helped me as well is what we call Seller. With Seller, I am able to cover 9 countries just by recommending digital products, and they are all for free. I started for free. I do not pay any dime to start all these things. I even go to the extent of listing my own course on Telegram group, then connect it to Seller, and I start to make money for myself. And how I started is that I tried my best to investigate on YouTube on how to list course on Telegram, the same Telegram that you know. So I created my first course, which is International TikTok Monetization and Growth Blueprint. I list it on Telegram, then connect it to Seller. So if anybody purchases it through Seller, I will get my own money. So that's how I started without money. So another way that I also start earning online without paying any money at all, without money, is called online tutor. This is a process where you sign up in one platform and you start to teach your own local language, and you get paid every 15 minutes. For myself, I sign up in a platform called Preply. I sign up as a tutor there, and I start to get students and they pay for the lesson. We all started with trial lesson, then they book for another lesson, then I get paid. So I use the platform called Preply, but there is other platform that you can also teach your own local language, whether English, Portuguese, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Mozambique, French. Anywhere you are, you can teach your own local language and you get paid. These things works worldwide. Okay, and if you're able to get students, you get paid every 15 minutes. Okay, so another way you can also start earning online without money for free is through what we call content creation. But before you start content creation, or before you think of monetizing your social media, ask yourself, why am I on social media? Because you must first pick your niche. But before you pick that niche, ask yourself, am I on social media for pleasure or for profit? Am I here to bring in business, or am I just here to patronize my favorite celebrities without getting anything in return? Ask yourself, why am I on social media? If you're able to find why you're on social media, it will help you to have more clarity. It will also help you to stand out in a crowded market, and not only that, it will also differentiate you from others as well. So before you pick your niche, ask yourself, why am I on social media? And I'm sure if you're able to find out why, or reason why you have been using social media for years, it is 98% that yes, you'll be able to monetize your social media. Okay, and pick your niche. Then when it comes to niche can be referred to ecology, to marketing, to business and content creation. Okay, then if you're able to do that, to pick your niche, then this is when you will start your journey of content creation. You have to start editing videos. It's not a must that you'll be perfect at a particular time. So start with anything you have. You can also start with your smartphone. It's not a must that you will get a good gadget. No, start with anything you have. So through content creation, you can also start making money without money as well. All you need is just create your video, post your video, then your video will start to do well if you also master SEO, that's search engine optimization, and use a better title as well, or hook. We have audio hook, we also have visual hook, which is video hook as well. If you are able to monitor all these things and make sure that yes, they are normal, I believe you are going to start earning from content creation without money. Okay, these are the ways you are going to start earning from the online space without money. But before I pause, let me also add other ways you can also make money in the online space without money. And one of it again is what we call survey. Survey is just you answering simple survey question in the online space and you get paid. Okay, you can do it anywhere you are in the world just by answering simple survey question and you get paid for that. You can get paid in pounds and in dollars as well. All you need to do all these things that I mentioned is just your smartphone or your PC laptop if you have. Okay, but if you don't have, you can start with your smartphone. Remember that I mentioned something like content creation. So if you're able to monetize either your TikTok, your Telegram, your Instagram, your Twitter, which is X now, or your Facebook, or even YouTube, if you're able to monetize all these things, then you are going to start earning through content creation. And please try to fix or choose your niche before you start that content creation. It will help you to have more clarity and last long in the game. So I believe you find this short video so helpful. Click subscribe and also try your best to drop your question in comment section so that I'll create video and answer you that question. And in case you also want to know more about 24 side hustle that you can also try, click this particular video. It will help you a lot, and from me you're going to know extra 24 side hustle that you can start without money as well. So see you in that video. I also teach free phone video editing in case you want to learn video editing.